Success is not just one thing, it is actually a series of events. I still remember when I started with this journey. I was very young. I was, in fact, the youngest student in AgTech computer education, and our teacher, Sunil Sharma sir, had nominated my name for a competition, presentation competition. And believe me, I was very shy. I was not sure of my own self. But still, I burned the midnight oil and I was the winner. And that day was like, it just gave me that extra edge towards others, and I discovered my own hidden talent. And then I just pursued my journey towards public speaking. I started taking lot of speaking assignments, whether it was in Dehradun Institute of Technology, it was University of Energy Studies, that is UPES,